Now this is an absolutely fantastic van. It's a Ford Transit Custom 280 Limited, 6-seater, VAT qualifying, 2-litre diesel automatic. It's got a full exterior styling kit, plus it's done 9,000 miles, 72 plate, 9,000 miles, 2-litre diesel auto. It's got a Ford Raptor style grille, extended front bumper, side skirts, rear bumper, spoiler. It's got some nice features on it as well, over and above the standard spec, which we'll run through in a second, but the mileage is very, very important. 9,000 miles in a van like this is incredible. Upgraded 18-inch multi-spokes. Again, you've got those side skirts that I've just mentioned. You've got that front aggressive bumper style. Then what they've had done is a rear seat conversion. 3 seats in the front, 3 seats in the middle. So the perfect van for someone, if you're a VAT registered business, or even if you aren't, but if you are a VAT registered business with it being VAT qualifying, it would work perfect if you have a workforce that travel with you on the daily, or if you want something that where you can use it for work Monday to Friday, but on a weekend or evenings, then you've got those 6 seats as well. When you come round to the back, fixed spoiler, rear diffuser, have a look at the detail on the rear diffuser. So you've got 4 exhausts just slotted into there. It's also got a detachable tow bar. And then the big thing, which is why I said aimed at a business, is it's already got storage compartments in there already. So you've got several shelves, different compartments, perfect for someone who might have a trade, if they're building, whatever it might be. You've got all the different segments, your detachable tow bars there as well. 2-litre diesel auto, pretty rare in these vans. A lot of them are manual. I would prefer an auto, and I think everyone else would. Just makes it a lot easier to drive, irrelevant of where you're driving. On the front seats, shows you the level of care the customers had who did own it. They've got seat covers on the front in a Transit Custom Sport style, so you've got that nice protection, but also a nice little style as well. 9,000 miles, you can imagine the condition it's in. It's been very, very well looked after. And with it being a Transit Custom, you do get quite a lot of nice features as standard on them. Things like cruise control, speed limiter, your auto boxes there, Apple CarPlay, Android. You've also got front and rear sensors as well, which will work from there. Again, the big thing with the van for me is, one's the exterior style, it looks great, but if you're wanting something that'll be a workhorse for you, it's only got 9,000 miles on after, what, coming up 2.5 years? So very low miles, it will see you for a long, long period, and obviously it's got that nice unique look to it as well, so a good combination of business and leisure. You drive this van on a weekend, no problem whatsoever, and you can carry those extra people with you with that seat conversion. So if you are interested in having a chat about how you can buy this van, different funding options, even about a part exchange you might have, feel free to give me a ring. My name is Paddy. You'll find my number in the description, and I look forward to speaking to you.